Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So today is Friday and I'm currently on a particular trade, GBPUSD trade. So I want to give you my analysis. I used the strategy that I taught you, which is the GBPUSD killer strategy. Okay, so let's see how it went. Thursday, the lowest point of Thursday is right here. Okay, that's yesterday. You can see it right here. That's the lowest points of Thursday. Okay, so I also have the highest points, which I mark with this line right here. You can see it up there. That blue line there is standing for the highest points of Thursday. Okay, and this is the lowest point of Thursday, but I'm interested in the lowest points because that's the point that got broken. Okay, so let's move on to beginning of Friday, depicted by this vertical line. This vertical line you see here, it's actually a broken line, so you have to look well to see it. So that is what I used as my as period separator. So anytime you see the line gets crossed, it means you have entered a new day. So this is Friday. Now I was confused when the low got broken early on Friday, okay, because the break was so small, so I didn't know whether to just count it as a fake out or whether to count it as an actual break. But if you happen to have taken this trade and you counted it as an actual break, since it closed just very, very small below the line, if you counted it as a break and you want to apply the strategy, what it implies is that this blue candle right here, this blue candle that followed it, would be the candle that came back to PSD level. Okay, and based on the strategy, what would you have done? You would have placed a sell stop order just a few pips below that candle, and what will happen? It would have been activated for you right here, and you would have gotten a very, very small trade in the downwards direction. Okay, so you would have still made some money with it, just that it will be very small because you can see the downward movements that we had. You can see the downward movement that we had right here. You can see, so you would have caught these few candles that move down, okay, and you wouldn't have been stopped out because your stop loss would be just a few pips above the line. Okay, so it makes sense if you took the trade. But what I did was I waited and I counted this one as my main break. I counted the next red candle that broke that level as the main break. I'm trying to click on this. I don't know why it's moving anyhow. So okay, I counted this one as the main candle that broke this one because it's very, very obvious. Okay, so I counted it as the candle that broke the level. So what I did was I waited for a candle to come and pierce that level back again. Okay, and this is the candle that did just that. You can see this candle right here. This blue candle is the one that did that. This one right here. So you can see it pierced that level again, right? So what would I have done? I would have placed a I would have placed a pending order just below that candle in order to sell. So I placed a pending order around here in order to sell for the market to come down, and guess what? Market never came back there. Okay, so that told me that this market is gonna move upwards, and I took advantage of that. Okay, so you can see what happened. The market never came down to that level. Okay, never came down to this level, so it played around as though it would come back. Instead, it bounced off the previous day low, came down again, bounced off the previous day low, showing that it does not have an intention to actually move in the downwards direction. So I am actually wrong thinking it will go down. But like I said, the good thing about the strategy is even when you are wrong, you won't pay the price for being wrong. Okay, unless maybe you did not set your positions well, that's when you pay the price for being wrong. So I just closed the orders, then started looking for opportunity to move in the upwards direction, since this level, previous day low, is now acting as support. Okay, so you can see first bounce off the previous day low, second bounce with rejections. Very important. When I saw those rejection candles coming in, you can see you have rejections down here. I knew the market is going to go up, and Why is it going up? It's going up to target the opposing liquidity. Okay, it's trying to move up to target the opposing liquidity. So I don't necessarily need to put my take profits at the opposing liquidity, but at least I'm going to catch some move. Okay, so that's exactly what I did. So where did I enter my buy positions? Let me show you where I entered my buy positions. Okay, so it came down to bounce from here again, then pulled back. I started loading my buy positions after this pullback. Okay, when I saw the pullback coming and then I saw a blue candle forming, I entered a buy position here. As it was moving up, I entered another buy position, and you can see what's up. Okay, it's already moving up in my direction. See where my two buy positions are. One is at this level, another one's at this level below, and I placed my stop loss below the previous day low. Okay, because that level has already held as a support, so price has no reason to come and break it and start coming towards the stop loss. So I put the stop loss below the previous day low. Okay, and you can see what's up. This is where I put my take profits. I put my take profits at this level. All right, so basically my take profit is getting it. It's certainly going to get it, but if I wanted to if I want to be a little bit greedy, what I would do, because based on knowledge of forex, definitely this movement is coming to the previous day high. Okay, it's coming to the previous day high, and this is the previous day high. So you can imagine how much money I would make if this market actually comes here. Okay, it has already taken out liquidity on this side and is not showing us intention of going down. So definitely it's an upwards movement, and if that's the case, it's going to surely target liquidity of the previous day, okay, above this previous day high. So what I'm planning to do, I'm probably going to take profits at this level for just one of my trades. Then I'll move my stop loss to break even or lock in a very small amount of profits, probably put the stop loss just below this swing low that I'm seeing here, and do what, participate in a possible movement to this previous day high. So basically that's what forex knowledge can help you with. Anyway, if you're a new viewer, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I'll definitely answer you. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.